Hello everyone, I'm JK from Hair Crown. I want to show you this beautiful hairstyle. I don't want anyone to miss. These are locks. They are so beautiful and they show class. Please pay attention to this video. These locks are so beautiful. This is how they plait them in the right way. This is the simplest technique. Please subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to click on the bell. Most people don't know how to do these locks, but it's better if you first do this. What you see here, you get your real hair and twist it just in that kind. I will not. I didn't take you through doing these twists because I've always been posting videos about these twists. I just wanted to take you through so quick to tell you the main basics. So these are our twists in the on air. I don't add anything. These are the indie videos. We're doing natural locks in indie videos, or Fauxlocs or distress locks in the indie videos, and they're called Fauxlocs. This is how we do it. You crochet from each strand goes with each individual twist, ear twist, as you can watch right here. And then you get your crochet hook, you press from right inside this strand and make sure the hair is all inside the strand. Is the hair is absorbed into the strand. This is very easy technique. Please just grasp this art. Things are going to be so easy for you. I think you can see what I'm doing here. You can see how I crochet these Fauxlocs into the twisted hair, and then I try to get my hook to make this hair go through this, put it inside the strand using my hook. Hope you can see this very well. It's very easy. It's very easy technique, and people have been green about this. I remind you again, if you haven't subscribed, please you should subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell for all new hairstyles and for fast and easy hairstyles that will that are tangle free and will give you peace. These locks, or these Fauxlocs, are so light. However much you see them as big, they are very light, and every lady should try out this style because it is one of those training hairstyles. These are ombre Fauxlocs. They have 3 shades of color. You can see. So crocheting my strands into the hair, and mind you, don't forget what I told you. The hair has to be twisted plainly, without anything, without adding any kinky, or without just plain, just twist them plainly. Unless if there's some broken hair, like maybe the front hair, you can add a little kinky, very little kinky. But this and you have to do the other twist that helps this hair to be squeezed and be small, because if the hair is too big, if you section big hair, if you do big hair twists, then the strands will not come out so well. That's why you need to do reasonable size of hair boxes, and then you have to squeeze them. The kind of twist you do is one that is tight. You have to squeeze them. And better this hair still supports hair growth. By the time you unplait or remove this hair, your hair will be so long. It supports hair growth and it restores hairline. So I'm almost reaching the end. I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to give me thumbs up. And by the way, the other thing I was forgetting to let you know about this hairstyle. It is very easy to style, and at the end of this video you'll see how I styled it. She looked so beautiful. She liked it. She had to give me a tip by force. Oh my goodness, she forced herself to give me a good tip because I did a very, very wonderful work. Thank you everybody. See you in my next video. Bye bye. I'm JK.